Sushi. California roll.
We shall smash together.
We shall overcome.
The smash. This isn't looking like mom's sushi.
It's okay.
Girls, what are you doing?
I'm making a sushi bake. What are you talking about?
That's not a sushi bake.
Do you want to try it?
In the oven.
Stop eating it.
Okay.
We are gonna make a sushi bake together. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
How much was this on DoorDash?
It's like 100.
Like $100.
Get up. This is not paying attention.
Sushi Bake was one of my earliest viral recipes and it's been a family favorite ever since.
What?
It has all the flavors we love about sushi, but it's easy, affordable, and there's no rolling required.
So if you are confused, guess what?
Chicken butt.
It's the perfect recipe for the girls to make on their own, especially when they're craving a little taste of home.
What are you gonna do when you're on your own? You gonna call me?
Get somebody else to do it.
This is
My daughter's cooked.
Girls, instead of spending $100 on DoorDash for sushi, we could actually make a sushi bake at home for like 30 bucks. The core thing of the sushi bake is the sushi rice, salmon, the imitation crab, and the Kewpie mayo and the cream cheese. This is the challenge.
Okay.
I'm gonna make the dish and give you as much information as possible. Take notes if you want, because next, you're gonna do it on your own.
Oh.
Yep.
Mom, I don't even know how to make rice.
I don't know how to make rice either.
You're Asian. You need to learn how to make rice. All right, girls. This is our rice dispenser. Have you noticed it sitting here before?
No.
Yeah, I know. And we're gonna do 2 cups.
2 cups.
And most importantly, you have to wash your rice. And use cold water. Rinse the rice like this. And then pour. So 2.5 cups of water, but it's only for sushi rice. Hit start. There's a lot of salmon that you could buy. This one actually has bones and the skin on. So you can use kitchen pliers and you just loosely grab it.
No.
Can we like skip this part?
Yeah.
Can you do that part?
No. What are you gonna do when you're on your own? You're gonna call me?
Get somebody else to do it.
No. Now we're gonna boil some water and we're gonna remove the skin the fun way. So I'm gonna cut the imitation crab while the water is boiling. You know what's funny about being a picky eater? So she likes fruits and vegetables and you didn't. And I literally raised you from womb to boob. So I didn't do anything different.
Why'd you say that?
Because breast milk is gold. The water is boiling. I'm gonna pour and you're gonna see the skin lift up. See how the salmon's curling?
It's moving.
Yep. This is the fun part.
What?
The things you learn on TikTok. You could just chop it up really small and it'll cook really fast. Actually a little worried about giving you guys a knife. Crab, salmon, and the bowl. So we need 4 ounces, 1/2 cup of Kewpie mayo. But home cooks measure with their heart,
Okay.
okay? A little soy sauce, green onion.
Do we have to put green onion in ours?
Yes, salt, garlic powder, and that's it. We're just gonna mix all this together.
Mix.
So our rice is done, and we're just gonna let all this moisture come out. Get up, this is not paying attention.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add a rice vinegar, and then we're gonna do some, my favorite word,
She can't say it.
Furikake. So we're gonna say rice seasoning.
It's a lot.
It looks like a lot, but you have to be really generous. Okay, now I'm pressing it down. So now we're gonna just scoop all of it.
Just smush it down. It's like a pizookie.
We just wanna spruce it up a little bit.
More mayo.
More mayo.
Oh, go.
And then more rice seasoning. And now we're just gonna make it rain to Bico. So we're gonna do 25 minutes at 375. Okay. All right, girls, the sushi bake is done. I like 2 roasted seaweed Just grab a little bit of everything. Like you want the rice. If you don't want avocado, that's fine.
Cheers.
One down.
It's not for me, but it's like a 3.
A 3?
I thought you said out of 5.
Oh, no, it's a 1 out
Oh,
of 10.
it's like a 7.
Oh, okay, I'll take it. That's a win. Yay, Shayna likes sushi bake.
Never said that.
All right, now it's your turn.
So she said 2 cups of rice.
Ah.
Stop, stop,
Oh, stop. Oh.
I think that's 2 cups. Okay.
Now wash rice. You want the water to be clear. Yeah, mix it up. Like,
Is this supposed to look like soap?
I don't know. Maybe that's why you're washing it.
Oh, okay. Well, I think we're good, right? And how much water do we need?
Okay, we need 2 cups of water and 1/2 cup of water.
Awesome. And then
And hit start. Okay.
1 step down. That's amazing, girl.
next step.
Salmon.
Okay, what did she said gently take it out?
Gently twist it to take out bones. Well, there's.
It's not coming out. Oh wait, what if I just use my entire hand? Like, oh, okay. I did it. Yay. I did it. I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Wait, where are you?
Gently, gently.
I'm trying.
Gently.
Oh!
You have a future in surgery. That's such an Asian thing to say.
Wait, I'm so good at this.
Okay, what's the next step after this step?
So far, I feel like the girls are doing great teamwork and they're actually getting it.
Okay, do you want to pour the boiling water or do you want me to? Okay.
I'm scared. Shay, why are you holding the bottom of it? It was just all this.
You ready? Are we ready?
Go, just go, just go.
Did I do it?
Just keep going.
Did I do it?
Go in the thicker part. Go in the thicker part.
I can't see.
Keep,
Am I doing it?
keep going.
Did I do it? Did I do it?
Shay, keep going.
I did it. I did it. Gentle, 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 gentle.
I think you should have put more water.
And. Wait.
I'm not very good at this.
I did it.
Good job, Shay.
honey. Bravo.
I need your face. Kiera, I think you skipped some steps. What? It just goes straight to the cream cheese. 4 ounces.
I have to put the crab in.
Just pour it.
It's gonna go everywhere.
No, it's not. Look at that. Look at that.
The rice is.
Okay.
How can you read the
Were we
time?
supposed to cut the salmon to put it in there? It's just gonna.
No.
There's something in my eye.
I don't know how to chop this, so I'm just gonna chop it how
It
I
says
want to.
preheat the oven to 375 degrees for 25 minutes.
Okay, it's fine. See?
Keep cutting.
I am.
While you do that, I'm gonna add soy sauce. And she said measure with your heart, so I am going to do
Please do not measure with your heart. Put it in the cap.
that. My heart is telling me no cap. And just like that, we've measured with our heart. Then we add a little green onion, a little salt. Again, measure with your heart. We're gonna add a little garlic powder now. I never added the Kewpie mayo. Silly me.
Keep going.
There we go. Now, Kiera, how's that salmon looking?
Sam?
Salmon. You want to add the rest of this salmon in it?
I think it looks too dry.
No. No. She's nice. And the rice is done. I remember this step because I took mental notes, and you need to fluff up the rice. Okay. Now I'm gonna add rice.
I feel like the salmon's too big.
Okay. Well, I'm not the one that chopped it, so. Okay. I think that's enough rice. I think this is
Put a little bit more.
Okay. Now we're gonna add that on top of that, right?
No, we have to put the thing
Oh
on.
yeah. Don't move it. Oh, I have to move it so it gets everywhere. And this is It's our water pressure.
A water heater.
Okay. Well, if you could hear us, now we're gonna add rice seasoning.
Furikake. We're doing so good.
Take your time.
Maybe we shouldn't do too good so we don't have to make dinner.
She put it at the end. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Hurry up, Kiera. I'm just gonna take over. Okay. Next is the, what is it called?
Tobiko.
How much do you want, Kiera? A lot?
Sure.
There. Ah. Okay, next is the rice seasoning.
Okay, awesome.
Now,
The oven's ready.
the oven is ready and we're gonna put it into the oven.
I would say this was my sushi bake. It looks really good, girls.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
That's no.
Look at that crab and salmon layer with rice.
It's gonna fall.
Smells good. All right, this is the ultimate taste test. Did the girls make sushi bake? I'm gonna give you guys a score from 1 to 10, like you did for me, okay? Let's see if you beat the 7. Here goes.
Why do you make that face?
I'm savoring. Good. Delicious.
Good? What is the score?
What's the score?
A 7.5.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
The reason why is 7.5. I feel like you should have just packed the rice a little bit more firmly and also the spread so it's more tight so when we put it on the plate, it doesn't fall apart. And it did need a little bit more Kewpie mayo.
What
Did I tell ya?
But overall, still delicious, girl. All right, you guys cleaning this up?
Okay.
All right.